guys, what up? It's Bonita, and we're gonna take it down to the ground today. We're gonna learn a step called the Zulu Spin. Zulu Spin is a very traditional, classic, globally used breaking move. So let's jump in and you can learn that today. So with the Zulu, you're basically going to start down on the ground in that breaking squat position on your toes. Yep, back is lifted, not falling backwards. So you're gonna be here, and for sure, in order to get this strength, I would suggest just kind of doing these kicks, right? So you're comfortable in that position, right? Call those like Russian kicks. But basically, you have one leg out or the other leg. It just depends on which way your footwork is flowing and which way you want to transition. So those are two things and reasons why you would go both ways. But basically, you have one leg out in front. For teaching purposes, when I normally teach it and I'm having my students drill the step, I will have them replace this foot. So let me just show you. If I'm having them travel, they're traveling over the leg that's out, okay? Their hands are gonna reach real close to where their body is, not out here super, super far. You can, if you are trying to, widen the step, but you want it to just be fairly close to the out leg. And then from here, you're gonna pick up, keep that leg tucked, and then you're gonna just sit right back where you started. Yeah, so sit, find the same position that you started in. I'm gonna switch legs. Now my other leg is out. So my hands are gonna go over the straight, I keep saying straight, but over the leg that's out. And I'm gonna keep that other foot tuck, 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 tuck. And I'm gonna land right back on it, okay? So if you wanna drill this step, maybe you're gonna teach it, maybe this is just for you to work on. If you wanna do it and travel it, you have to replace this foot. So this kind of serves as like an axis. Wherever this foot is the way that you're gonna turn. So if I go here and I leave that leg back, if I turn again, I'm gonna start to turn this way, right? Because I'm gonna go over that leg. But if I wanna keep moving straight, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this leg over, and now that has straightened my path to keep going that way, right? So switch again. So I'm gonna go over, I'm gonna land. That leg is stuck back there, which is fine. If you're in a cipher and you're in a small space, you don't really wanna be moving your feet too much. But again, if you wanna drill it and you wanna just practice moving it, you can move this leg. You can literally move this foot wherever you want to move it, and that's where you'll turn. That's the direction. So if I ended here, but I wanna go that way, I can literally move this foot and go all the way over here and then do it again. But now obviously I came back. So does that make sense? That leg that's out determines where you go. So place that however you would like, that's where you would turn, okay? So let's do two Zulus over. This is my right, but it's your left if you're mirroring me. So we're gonna go Zulu over one, drop, Zulu over two, drop. Good, switch feet with no hands, and you're gonna go the other way. Zulu over, land, switch over your hands, Zulu over, land. Very nice, good. So another common get up is from a Zulu, and you can literally just go like this. Keep that leg out, and then instead of landing, planting your foot, you're gonna go from here and you're gonna step this leg out, and then you can just slide up. So now I just came off of the ground easily and smoothly, and then to the other way, it would go like this. Leg would go out. I'm gonna go over, land that foot out, slide that leg up. Good. So there's a Zulu stand up if you wish. You can also, from here, if you want to, you can also go straight into a freeze. So from here, you can go over, say I do one Zulu, and then I'm gonna catch on my stab arm, which is gonna be my left in this case. I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna stab, I'm gonna catch right here, whoop, yep. And I can just freeze right there, or cross. You could do anything, but I just literally dropped on that opposite hand. Okay, so if I was going this way, I would do 1 full Zulu, over, and then I would go here. My second hand would catch the stab, whoop, and then I could freeze right there, yeah? So you could just hit that freeze. So those are transitions, a few different ones for the Zulu spin. I am gonna show you one other variation. It is similar to the freeze, but it's called a Zulu stab. So Zulu stab would be, if I'm transitioning this way, I'm gonna land in the same exact place, but I'm gonna catch, same from here. I'm gonna push off, and then I'm gonna land right back to the same place that I started. Switch. If I'm gonna go the other way, I'm gonna Zulu this way, so start to turn. I'm gonna catch on that opposite hand again, push, and then come up. So there's a Zulu stab, and that's good. So I'll show you real quick. You can just go here, Zulu, Zulu stab. Yep, switch, come back, Zulu, Zulu stab. Woo! Good. Don't want to get out of the camera. Awesome. So there was quite a few variations there. You've got just your regular Zulu, and remember that foot, the foot that's out, the leg that's out, determines where you go, how you rotate, how you travel. Then you've got your Zulu stand up. You've got your Zulu into a freeze, and then you've got your Zulu, your stab Zulu, or your Zulu stab, which is basically that transition with the stab freeze. There's your Zulu variations. I think I gave you 4 or 5 different fun variations that you can use. Try them all, have fun, incorporate them into your freestyle some way, and like, share, subscribe. Jump in the comments, let me know what you thought, if you have any questions, and I will be back soon.